I've been getting a big question lately. What can I do by learning calligraphy? Everyone keeps asking me, what's the point of learning calligraphy other than learning it as a hobby? Believe it or not, you can earn a lot from calligraphy. These days, everyone is looking forward to earn something from their skills. So I thought I should do a video about how to make money from calligraphy. But first of all, remember to learn all the basics. I have videos on all basics of calligraphy. If you haven't watched them yet, click on the link and start learning today, so you can soon make some money with it. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 5 best ways that I think are the easiest to make money with calligraphy. So stay till the end, as I will be sharing some of my secret tips with you. Hello, I'm Safia from Magic Light Artista. Today I'll be talking about 5 ways to earn from calligraphy. This is the first episode of how to make money with calligraphy. So let's dig into it. Wedding industry and party industry has always been in the peak of the business, and it's becoming more and more fancy every day, and calligraphy is playing a big role in it. So let's see how we can make some money there, because that will be the best place to start. Number 1. Place cards. It's a great way to start out. It's pretty easy and no layouts or nothing fancy. It's usually choosing a calligraphy style and writing the names provided by the client. This is something even a beginner can do with a little bit of practice. So all you have to do is choose a font and write it on the card given or chosen by the client. Number 2. Invitations and envelopes. Invitations and envelopes play a big role in weddings and parties, because the invitation is going to say a lot about what the party is going to be about or the theme of the wedding and so on. So just like place cards, invitations addressing is pretty easy and you can do with a basic knowledge. But if you are going for an invitation template, then you need a bit of an advanced knowledge than that. And envelopes can be a bit tricky as well, because depending on the client's request, it can be as simple as it can be, but also it can be very ornate. So always remember to ask the client what style they want and decide if you can do it or not and charge accordingly. Number 3. Signage. Signages are making their way in again in the most lovely way. We are back at vintage signages, which is a huge opportunity for calligraphers, and not only vintage signages, even modern styles can have calligraphers in that. So signages like welcome signs, Mr. and Mrs. boards, photo booth signages, and directional boards are just a few of it. There is a wide range of them like these nowadays, and this can be the next level to expand your business. Number 4. Favors. Handmade favors has always been a lovely sentimental point in weddings and occasions. There can be many ways to include calligraphy in favors, like engraved wood, a simple thank you ornament, to even the tags of favors. So just a thank you note or a thank you card, and there are endless choices to go with, and people love handmade stuff. So it's a big seller if you find the right client to do favors and open up your business to a wider market. Number 5. Wedding vows. This is not something everyone do. Even though it has a very limited number of jobs in Asian regions, it's pretty popular in Western countries. It's writing out wedding vows. In Western style weddings, the couple says out vows when getting married and they love to get it framed as a memory. So they hire a calligrapher to write it out for them, as it is more sentimental when it's handwritten. So you can do the vows as per client request, and this can be charged per word or on a flat rate basis. So those are the 5 easiest ways to make money from calligraphy you learn. And if you do it with full dedication, you can fly high. But always remember these secret tips that I'm gonna share with you now, as it will help you to build your business in future. Number 1. When you get a job, always get a template approved by the client before starting the job. This way, it will give you more assurance on the job, as well as you can avoid conflicts after completing the job. Number 2. Always request an advance payment from the client. This way, even if the client refuses to accept the job after completing, you can cover the cost you have spent on the job. Number 3. Price according to what you have to do. Some are just writing the names with the simplest format. Some are writing them out with flourishes and more design. So always remember to price for what you do. Number 4. Always remember to request extra 10 to 15% extra cards from the client, because mistakes do happen and you don't want to run out of cards in the middle of completing the order. I hope this helped you understand how to make money from calligraphy and use your hobby to fill your pockets. I'll be talking about more ways to earn from calligraphy in my next video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you will be the first one to know when I upload my next video. So see you soon, and until that, bye bye.